Police are continuing to investigate a fatal snowmobile accident that happened this past weekend. The accident occurred around 8:45 last night. Michigan State Police Gaylord Post responded to the snowmobile accident that resulted in the death of a Cheboygan County man identified as 45-year-old Robert John Niester.
There are three major causes of accidents for snowmobilers in Michigan. Last year we had 23 fatalities, and the majority of those were involved either speed, alcohol, or operating on a roadway.
The accident occurred in the Kohler Township in Cheboygan County. The Cheboygan County Sheriff's Department and Indian River Life Support assisted at the scene. It's not yet known if alcohol was indeed a factor in the accident.